Hi, how are you? In this video I will show you how you can add tracking to your from TrackTaco to your TikTok shop. Here is I am on the order that order you have received, and this is the order page. You received this order on 7 November, and today is like 11 November in Pakistan. uh, it might be 10 November and 11 p.m. in US. So it means that it should, you said that it will be delivered to customer till 10 November today. It means at this time it should be delivered, but in this tracking ID I will add 1 day extra, just in case if it is not received by customer. If we add the tracking ID that shows that product has been delivered but the customer has not received it yet, he will make refund and order might be cancelled and you will lose the money. So now we need to do is that I will I will find tracking ID that start with 7 November and it should delivered on 11 November. Today is 11 November in Pakistan. I will no problem in that. We can add 1 or 2 day extra uh, to tracking ID. It's not a problem at all. Now I will go on a TrackTaco. This is a website, the apps.tracktaco, where I get trackings. It's paid website, so I have a subscription of that. So to let me tell you the interface of that. First of all, here you need to put city and state. Here it's a destination, it's already selected US. You can get other countries tracking as well, but we are the product is in US, so selected US. Destination city, states, I need to find that. Destination city, you can see that Michigan. I will copy that Michigan and paste it here and select here Michigan. Okay, the estimate delivery date, it's showing that estimate should be 12 November. It should be a 12 November and it should be start let me tell you that it should start from 7 November and it should delivered 7. We can do that. It is, if it is 8 November or 9 November, it's okay, no problem in that, but it should not be less than before than 7 November. Like it should not be in 6 November, because it will send a signal to TikTok shop that how he add the order. When he get the order on 7 November, how he start shipping it in 6 November. So we need to add 1 or 2 day extra from that, and 1 or 2 day extra from delivery date as well. So start from 7 to 11. It can be 12, it can be 8. I hope you understand. It's a little bit complicated, but not at all. If you can't understand the video, it will be great if you revise this video and you will understand all the stuff again. So where it is, so this is 11 November ship date. No, it's not our and it will delivered on a, we can use that as as well, no problem in that, because we can ship the on a no, it's 9 November, and yeah, that's okay, it's it. If it is 9 November, that's okay, because we get the order on 7 November and it's 9 November and ship date is 14. So we can, destination city, it's optional, but we will add that as well. I think That's city. I am not sure about cities in US, but Morley, no, it's not. So it's not, but it's optional, we can remove that as no problem in that. Now estimate delivery, yeah, it's showing 14 November, but we need only like 12 November. We will select in 2 days. Okay, it will change. Click here and we will select in 2 days. Now it is showing that 10 November and it will be delivered on a 13 November. No problem, that we can use that as well, but let me find other as well if we can find a good, otherwise we can use that as well. It's 11 13 November, 10 November. It would be great if we find on a 9 November and yeah, that's we got 9 November. Here is a little bit internet issue, so please bear with me. So again 8 November, yeah, we find that we get the order on a 7 November, and let's use that in for 9 November. It takes 2 days to ship, like we can use that as well. If you are using TrackTaku from US and you are in the right time period, then you can use properly as well, because I am out of US and the time is little bit problem to understand for me. Like I am 12 hour forward than your time, so it's little bit like we can use that 9 November, and ship is like we got we you delivered the I'm sure that at this time the order is being delivered, so we can use that as well, no problem in that. November and 13 November, so I will use that 9 November. That's now we need to purchase that 11 November 8, no, I will use 9 November and delivered on a 13. That's perfect. I will click on purchase and that's click on copy, and now I will go on this page, I will refresh that. And now I will add tracking ID. We need to see that, yeah, I forgot to tell you about one thing more, but let me add this tracking ID, then I will tell you. That's FedEx, in transit FedEx. Add tracking, enter, I will paste here this tracking ID and FedEx and FedEx Smart Post. That's totally fine. Now click on submit, processing, added tracking one packet. Okay, now we have added tracking ID. It's still showing maybe in shipped, after sometimes it will be delivered. Yes, it's delivered, it's awaiting collection. After some time it will be delivered soon. So let me tell you that the other option as well. If the ordered is been shipped, then we can delivered, we can say that click on delivered. It will add the IDs that were delivered. We can use other options, UPS, DHL, any other. Okay, so these are also options, we can use that, and other stuff as well, like earliest shipping date. Let's use, and let's, I am just checking this option, earliest shipping date. Yeah, we can select from here that as well. Let's say 7. So now we have done our job. So I'm just waiting for his, it's, yeah, we find 9, it's again showing 9 November. But yeah, you can see that website and play around with that. Thank you so much.